Alright, good evening everyone. It is time for basement fire alarm test 28. Up here, starting with the notification appliances today, you'll see there are two of them. On the bottom is a FCI HP-B4 mechanical horn, and on top of it is a Gentex GXS-4-30WR. This is a 30 candela strobe. Now down below I have something new. We have this Thorn B5 pull station. Dual action, lift and pull. So there isn't much to show. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first pull this, and the horn will be on continuous. And then what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take this right here, this brake rod, and put it in the pull station, pull it again, and I think I'll have the horns on march time for that. So let's get started. As you can see, there is audible silence. So let's go reset the pull station. Alright, so I'm going to try to reset this with one hand. Might not work too well, because this is... Where's the screw? There it is. There it is. And now I'm going to insert the brake rod. So if I just grab it and put it in there like that, that's in there all the way now. You can close it back, maybe. Get the screwdriver in here. Alright, so let's reset the panel. Alright, so there it is. Now I'm going to change the coding on the horns to march time. Alright, so now the horn is programmed to do march time, and we're going to pull the pull station and break the rod. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so this time I'm just going to open it up. I'm not going to try to close it while it's on camera, but I'm just going to show you the rod. And as you can see there, it did break, and I'm not sure where the rest of it went, but there's part of it right there. And all that really did was make the pull station just a little bit harder to pull. So there it is. So that's the end of the video for today. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to check out my Groupme and eBay. Both links are in the description. Thank you and have a great day.